A bag containing 50 cards. Each card bears only one number from 1 to 50. One card is drawn at random from the bag. Write the sample space. Also write the events A, B and find the number of sample points in them. Now the events are given below. Number 1. Condition for event A. The number on the card is divisible by 6. Second, condition for event B. The number on the card is a complete square. After that, write down the sample space. Write down all sample points of the sample space. S is equal to, each card bears the number from only one number from 1 to 50. That's why write down all the numbers in the curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, 49, 50 and close the curly bracket. Number of S is equal to 50. Now the condition for event A, number is divisible by 6. From the sample space, collect the sample points which are divisible by 6. A is equal to 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. All these numbers are divisible by 6. Collect the numbers from the sample space which are multiple of 6. That means which are divisible by 6 but less than 50. And these are 8 numbers. Therefore, number of A is equal to 8. Second, condition for event B. The number on the card is a complete square. Then we have to collect the square numbers from 1 to 50. Write down the set of event B. The elements comes in that set. B is equal to, in the curly bracket, 1, 4. 1 is the square number, 4 is the square number, 9 is the square number, 16 is the square number, 25 is the square number, 36 is the square number and 49 is the square number. Close the curly bracket. Number of B is equal to 7. Next example. A sanitation committee of 2 members is to be formed from 3 boys and 2 girls. Write sample space S and number of sample points, number of S. Also write the following events in the set form and number of sample points in the event. And the events are given here with the condition. Number 1, condition for event A. At least one girl must be a member of the committee. Second, condition for event B. Committee must be of one boy and one girl. Third, condition for event C. Committee must be of boys only. Condition for event D. At the most one girl should be a member of the committee. Solution. Suppose B1, B2, B3 are 3 boys and G1, G2 are 2 girls. Out of these boys and girls, a sanitation committee of 2 members is to be formed. Now, from these 3 boys and 2 girls, we have to prepare the committee of 2. Then we have to prepare such combinations from the boys only first of all, then boys and girls after that, and of girls only. In the sample space, I am writing the combination of the boys. Committee of 2 from the boys. B1 B2 comma B1 B3 comma B2 B3. Now the committee of 2 from the boys and girls, that means by the combination of boys and girls. B1 G1 comma B1 G2 comma B2 G1 comma B2 G2 comma B3 G1 comma B3 G2. Now the committee of 2 from the girls only, and that is G1 G2. In this way we can prepare 10 committees and number of S is equal to 10. Now the condition is here. First, condition for event A is that at least one girl should be in the committee. Condition is for at least means minimum. Minimum one girl required in the committee. Condition for minimum, not for the maximum. Event A is equal to, write down all the committees in which one girl is there. B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1, B2 G2, comma B3 G1, comma B3 G2. In all these committees, one girl is there, but condition is for at least. Yes, last committee also contain girls, and from that committee we get at least one girl, but there are two, no problem at all. At least one girl is there, that means two girls are there, but the requirement is of one girl. That means this committee is also applicable for this condition. That means this committee, G1, G2, this committee satisfies the given condition. 7 committee satisfies this condition, that's why number of A is equal to 7. Second, condition for event B is that one boy and one girl should be there in the committee. Yes, this is very simple committee. One boy and one girl. All 6 combination comes in this. B is equal to B1 G1 comma B1 G2 comma B2 G1 comma B2 G2 comma B3 G1 comma B3 G2. Number of B is equal to 6. Condition for event C is that there should be only boys in the committee. Yes. What is the condition? Only boys in the committee. That means first 3 committees of boys only satisfies this condition. That means write down those committees in the event C. C is equal to, in the set of C is equal to curly bracket B1 B2 comma B1 B3 comma B2 B3, close the curly bracket. Number of C is equal to 3. Condition for event D is that there can be at most one girl in the committee. At most means maximum one girl required in that committee. Maximum. Condition is for maximum, not for the minimum. D is equal to B1 B2, B1 B3, B2 B3. All these 3 committees. All these 3 committees consist 0 girls. And the condition is for maximum one girl. That means 0 girls are also applicable. Next, B1 G1, one girl is here. B1 G2, one girl is here. B2G1, one girl is in this committee. B2G2, one girl is in this committee. B3G1 and B3G2. In remaining these, one girl is there. In this way, these 9 committees satisfies the given condition. Number of D is equal to 9.